Welcome to a new episode of our series on digital transformation. Today we are going to explore a key topic for the future of business: the implementation of autonomous governance systems based on artificial intelligence, AI. Such systems are already being adopted by leading companies to optimize decision-making, reduce costs, and manage operations more efficiently. In this video, you will learn how AI can take on critical roles in business management, automating processes and improving corporate governance. Autonomous governance systems are artificial intelligence-driven digital platforms that manage and monitor key aspects of corporate governance without direct human intervention. These systems are designed to automate decision-making, analyze real-time data, and make immediate adjustments as needed. Thanks to AI, systems can analyze large volumes of data to provide strategic recommendations, optimize operations, and ensure that the company is in compliance with regulatory standards. Implementing an AI-based autonomous governance system starts with the integration of key technologies such as machine learning, natural language processing, NLP, and advanced analytics. These systems must be connected to enterprise databases, including financial, operational, and human resources data, in order to make decisions based on real-time information. It is essential to define clear rules and policies for the AI system to act within a framework set by management. Initially, the system will work alongside human teams to perform analysis and suggest decisions, but as it learns and optimizes, it will be able to act more autonomously. Autonomous governance systems allow businesses to automate complex processes that traditionally required a lot of human intervention. From approving budgets to managing suppliers and allocating resources, AI can make data-driven decisions without the need for human intervention. A practical example is the automation of regulatory compliance. Companies operating in regulated markets can use AI to continuously monitor their operations and ensure that they comply with all applicable laws and regulations. If any irregularities are detected, the system issues alerts or can even take corrective action automatically. The benefits of implementing self-governance systems are numerous. Operational efficiency. Automation reduces the time needed to make decisions and streamlines corporate processes. Reducing human error. Data-driven decisions and AI algorithms minimize the risk of human error in key areas such as finance and compliance. Improved risk management. Autonomous systems can anticipate and mitigate risks before they become serious problems, enabling a faster and more effective response. Cost savings. By automating processes, companies can reduce the amount of resources devoted to decision-making and operational management. Some of the world's most innovative companies are already using AI-based autonomous governance systems to optimize their operations. Tesla uses AI to manage production and logistics in its factories, adjusting production in real time according to demand. Alibaba uses an autonomous system to manage its e-commerce platforms, analyzing millions of transactions in real time and adjusting sales strategies automatically. JP Morgan has implemented AI in its financial risk management, using predictive models to automate investment and portfolio management decisions. These examples show how autonomous systems are enabling companies to make faster and more efficient decisions while reducing operational costs. Implementing AI-based autonomous governance systems is the future of business management. If you want your business to be more agile, efficient, and able to manage risk more proactively, contact me on LinkedIn to find out how to implement these technologies. I'm here to help you transform your business. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep learning more about how artificial intelligence is changing the business world.